In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your YouTube to your TikTok profile. So what you want to do is you want to open up your TikTok app and then go to your profile. Now you want to do this if you are an influencer or you just want to promote your stuff on YouTube. From here you want to click on edit profile, that's right in the middle, and if you scroll down you can see social, add Instagram or add YouTube. If you click on add YouTube, then it says TikTok wants to use google.com to sign in. You click on continue. From here basically you choose the YouTube account you want to connect to. From there enter the password and then click on next. Then you need to wait a few seconds for everything to link. For some reason this didn't work, I don't know why, maybe I entered the wrong password, but if you've done the steps correctly, right on the right side of the edit profile you will see a YouTube link. So for example, if you take a look at this account, they have a direct message and an Instagram profile. If they have added the YouTube, it would be right or left side of this Instagram app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.